Hello, everyone. My name is Olivia.
And I am David. We are going on vacation.
We are going to the beach.
For 3 days, I am so excited.
Me too. But first, we need a hotel.
I am looking now on my phone.
David is booking the hotel.
I found one.
Good. Which one?
The Beach Paradise Hotel.
That sounds nice. How much is it?
Only $10 per night.
Wait, what?
$10, can you believe it?
David, that is too cheap.
No, it is perfect. We save money.
But $10? That is very, very cheap.
I know. I am so smart.
David, did you read the reviews?
Reviews? No. Why?
Let me see the phone.
No need. I already booked it.
You already booked?
Yes, done. We are going.
I have a bad feeling about this. 2 hours later, we arrive at the hotel.
We are here. Look.
David,
What?
that building, it looks very old.
Old is classic.
David, the paint is falling off the walls.
That is vintage style.
And look, that window is broken.
Which window?
That one, with tape on it.
Oh, that is modern art.
David, this is not good.
Come on, let's go inside.
Oh no.
Oh yes, look at this lobby.
David, there is a bird inside.
A bird?
Yes, a bird flying inside the lobby.
Oh, I see it.
That is not normal.
Maybe it is a pet.
Hotels do not have bird pets.
This one does. How fun.
This is not fun. This is scary. We walk to the reception desk.
Hello, we have a booking.
Name?
David, room for 2 people.
Ah, yes. Room 205. Here is the key.
This is a real key, not a card?
We like old style here.
See? Classic.
This key is so big.
Big key means safe room.
The elevator is broken. Please use stairs.
The elevator is broken?
Since 2018.
2018? That is 6 years ago.
Good exercise. Let's go.
We're on the 2nd floor?
Only 2? That is not bad.
Actually, the 2nd floor is floor number 5.
What? Why?
We skipped some numbers, bad luck numbers.
I want to leave.
Come on, adventure.
These stairs are so noisy.
They are talking to us.
I don't want stairs to talk.
1, 2, 3.
How many stairs are there?
I don't know. Let's count.
10, 11, 12.
20, 21.
20. I am tired.
Almost there.
You said that 5 minutes ago.
This time I mean it.
I need water.
We will drink water in the room.
If we ever get to the room.
We are here, floor 5.
Finally. Where is room 205?
This way, follow me.
The hallway is so dark.
It is mood lighting.
I cannot see anything.
Use your phone light.
Why is your phone light not on?
To save battery.
Sure, David.
Here we are, our room.
Let me turn on the light. David?
Yes?
This room is tiny.
It is cozy.
I can touch both walls at the same time.
That means everything is close, very convenient.
And why is there only one bed?
Oh, I booked 1 bed.
David, we need 2 beds.
We can share like friends.
I am not sharing a bed with you.
Why not?
Because you snore.
I do not snore.
Yes, you do, like a bear.
I snore like a small bear.
Bears are bears, David. Let me see the bathroom.
Olivia, are you okay?
David, we need to talk.
What is wrong?
The bathroom has no door.
What?
No door, just a curtain.
A curtain is fine.
No, it is not fine.
It's like camping.
We are not camping. We are in a hotel.
A budget hotel.
A terrible hotel.
It is not terrible.
David, look around. Really look.
I'm looking.
The walls have cracks.
That is character.
The ceiling has a stain.
That is a cloud pattern.
David, that is water damage.
Water damage?
Yes, from the rain.
Maybe it is old water damage.
It is still wet, David.
Oh, I see.
Let me test the bed.
Good idea. I'm sure it is comfortable. How is it?
It is very hard.
Hard is good for your back.
This is like sleeping on the floor.
The floor is free. This is better.
Is it though?
Let me try. Ow!
What happened?
Something poked me.
It's a spring, a bed spring.
Oh, I see it.
It's coming through the mattress.
That is extra support.
David, this is dangerous.
We just need to sleep carefully.
Sleep carefully? How?
We don't move. We sleep like statues.
I cannot believe this. I need coffee now.
Coffee? Where?
I don't care. Anywhere but here.
Let me ask the receptionist.
So many stairs.
Exercise.
I hate exercise.
Excuse me, is there coffee?
Yes, in the basement.
The basement?
Yes, vending machine. Very good coffee.
See, they have coffee.
I am so tired.
Me too. Let's rest.
On the spring bed?
It is not that bad.
Okay, I am lying down.
See? Not bad.
I can feel every spring.
That is a free massage.
This is not a massage. This is pain.
Let me try. Oh, yes, I feel the springs.
Told you.
It is interesting.
Interesting?
Like sleeping on a trampoline.
I don't want to sleep on a trampoline.
Boing, boing.
Stop bouncing.
Sorry, it is fun.
This is not fun. This is torture. What is that?
What?
That noise.
Oh, music.
Very loud music.
Our neighbor likes music.
It is 9 p.m.
That is not late.
For sleeping it is.
Hello? Can you turn it down, please?
They made it louder.
Maybe they did not hear me.
Please turn it down. They are angry.
Maybe we should just ignore it.
How can I ignore this?
Put a pillow over your ears.
It does not work.
Try 2 pillows.
We only have 2 pillows.
Then, I don't know.
Now what?
That is upstairs.
Someone is running.
Maybe they are exercising.
At 9 p.m.?
Some people like night exercise.
What was that?
I don't know.
It sounded big.
Maybe they dropped a book.
A book does not sound like that. Are they fighting?
It sounds like it.
Should we call someone?
Like who?
The receptionist.
He is sleeping.
How do you know?
He is always sleeping.
This hotel is crazy. I need to shower.
Good idea. Fresh shower.
Behind a curtain with no door.
Just shower quickly.
Fine. David,
Yes?
the water is freezing.
Turn it to hot.
I did. It is still cold.
Try again.
Wait, now it is too hot.
Find the middle.
There is no middle. It is only cold or hot.
Let me help.
No, stay out. I have the curtain.
I am not looking.
Just stay there. I give up.
Did you finish?
No, the water is impossible.
Maybe I can try.
Go ahead. Good luck.
You were right. This is hard.
Told you.
Too cold, too hot, too cold, too hot.
There is no good temperature.
I also give up.
You still have soap in your hair.
You do?
Yes, white soap.
I could not rinse. The water was crazy.
We look ridiculous.
We are clean-ish.
We are not clean. We have soap. Okay, let's just sleep.
Yes, good idea.
Even with the noise?
We are tired. We will sleep.
Okay, eyes closed.
Good night.
Good night. I cannot sleep.
Me neither.
This is the worst hotel ever.
Yes, it is.
Can we leave?
Now it is late.
I don't care. I want to leave.
But we paid.
$10, David. We paid $10.
That is still money.
I will pay you $10 if we can leave.
Really?
Yes, please. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Grab your bag.
I'm grabbing.
Let's go, now.
Wait, the key.
Leave it. Just run.
But
Run, David. Faster.
I'm going as fast as I can.
We're almost free.
So many stairs.
Keep going. We are free.
We escaped.
That was terrible.
The worst hotel ever.
Never again.
Never, ever again.
From now